Good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn how to send a message using the Edupage web page. First, we go to the search bar on the top of our screen and we type brightkids.edupage.org. Okay, next, we remember to set the Edupage language to English. And to do that, we go to the light blue bar below our search bar, and it should have a Spain flag. After pressing the Spanish flag, it opens up a new window. We need to select the England flag to set everything to English. Next, we go to log in on the same light blue bar and enter our user information. If we have already logged in and saved an account, it should appear on top of the text "Use another account." After logging in, we can choose to remember only our username, or both our username and password. But we have to be careful with selecting password, because it means anyone with access to this computer can log in without any problems. Okay, next we are going to learn how to send messages. We can go to the Messages button on the Quick Access menu, or go to the top left menu on the Notifications button. This is going to open up the Messages module. Here we can see all our incoming messages and reply to them. To create a new message, we can use the red button on the right low corner of the screen, or go to the Start button on the opposite corner of the screen. Both buttons do the same thing. After opening up the menu, we have to select the Send a New Message. Okay, a new window just appeared at the center of our screen. Here we can create our message and select the people who this message is meant for. First, we are going to select the recipients for our message. We can either type the name of the person whose this message is meant for, or press on the blue button on the right that says Browse Recipients. We can look for the people depending on their department. If they are teachers, then we can find them inside the Teachers button, and the same with the others users at the school. After selecting the people we wanted to send the message to, we go to the green button of the lower right part of the screen that says Select. Next, we can type in our message. We can also add an attachment to our message. To do that, we just have to press on Add Attachments. This opens up our File Explorer. Here we can select our image or video to upload it to the message. After adding our image, we can also add a form to our message. Just below correct text, there's a button that says Voting. After pressing it, it opens up a window where we can add the options for our recipients to choose from. There we go. After adding the options, we are going to press OK to save what we did. Next, we can mark the message as important to force the receptors to open the message to read the content. If we press on the checkbox, it's going to open a new window that describes what this option does. Okay, next option is to hide the recipients list. The last option is to when you're sending the message to the whole school and a parent has a question and replies to the message, he doesn't send the message to the whole school. Now we are going to edit the options on our form, because I forgot to add one more. To do so, we have to press on the blue gear below the Enable Public Replies. This should open up a new window where we can add a new option for our form. After editing the form, remember to press on the green OK button on the corner of the window. This is going to open up a new window where it's going to show us how is the message going to be sended. We are going to press Send Message. Okay, our message should appear on the main window after someone replies to it. For now, it's going to appear on our post created by me tab. As you can see, here's our message. Now we are going to see how to reply to another person message. First, we click on the message we want to reply, and we scroll down the message. A blue reply button should appear. We got two options: reply to only the author or all the people who have received the message. You should select one depending on your preferences. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to select reply only to the author.
Here we can type our message and add an attachment on the paper clip. Then we are going to press send using the arrow that's on the right side of the text box. But let's say we want to discard our message. We just have to press on the X on the upper right part of the window. And we're going to press continue and discard changes to completely discard our reply. And that's it. Thank you all for staying until the end, and have a great day. Don't forget to leave in the comments what other type of tutorial you would like to see.